I'm so happy to see you today. It's time for circle. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job. Let's do our days of the week. I think we should stomp our feet today. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's sing our months. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Time to count. Let's count fast today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And today is 21. Good job, my friends. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for play. See you tomorrow, friends.